Now fresh in we have this lovely 1984 Yamaha TY250. Now this is just Japanese spec 53mi model, which they call the Scottish. So the Scottish normally comes with a full lighting kit, and this bike doesn't have that, it's been removed. But it is road registered, so it does come with a number plate. And of course all the wiring's there should you wish to put back the lighting kit. It's just been taped up and sealed for safety and keep any water out. Petrol tank's been changed to the plastic aftermarket item, and it's got a pinky rear mudguard, which was the competition version. Still running the Autolube, which is great, and general condition is lovely. The wheels are all straight, spokes are lovely, rims are lovely, the engine is beautiful, the downpipe excellent condition, forks are good with no major pitting, frame's clean, front of the exhaust lovely, aftermarket tail, an aftermarket side stand bracket, and a shortened gear lever for trials riding. So overall, a lovely thing. They're only asking £14,995, £1,500. It's sold as is, so first come, first served. I don't expect it'll stay around long. Now she runs lovely. I'll just get my youthful assistant to start her up for me. Starts easy enough, I'll just turn that off. Starts easy enough, and really a nice clean play bike, or a cheap way into trials. You know, as you said, if you wanted to put a lighting kit on, there's plenty of aftermarket ones available, and away you go. Of course it's 40 years old, so no tax and no MOT required, and is ULEZ compliant, though you might have to register it with your local authority as it is registered on historic class. So we look forward to hearing from you. It's going on the website live this weekend, which is classicandrare.co.uk, also on Car and Classic, and there's some other platforms you'll find us, YouTube and Instagram. So we look forward to hearing from you. Many thanks.